24 migrants were killed and many were injured when the trucks they were travelling in collided at around 3 a.m. in Uttar Pradesh's Auraiya district, about 200 kilometers from the state capital of Lucknow. This is the latest incident where stranded migrant workers have been killed in an accident while trying to return home. Prime Minister Modi tweeted about the incident, calling it tragic, and said the government is involved in relief work. Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla has written to Chief Secretaries of all states and union territories to ensure that there is no movement of migrant workers on roads and railway tracks and facilitate their movement through special buses or Shramik special trains. Despite the centre's orders, migrant labour force continues to undertake long journeys back home by foot or by transport that has not been officially mandated to ferry them, and in doing so, risking their lives. India is inching closer to the 86,000 mark in coronavirus infections, and it has surpassed the figures for the contagion reported in China, the original epicenter of the disease. There are reports that India could be witnessing a second wave. India recorded 3,970 new coronavirus patients and 103 deaths linked to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. United States President Donald Trump said that the US will donate ventilators to India and stand with Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the time of the coronavirus crisis. He also praised the US Indian population, saying that many of these people are working on developing a vaccine. He called Indian Americans great scientists and researchers. The World Health Organization says that a rare inflammatory disease in children could be linked to the novel coronavirus, alerting doctors and health bodies worldwide. However, the WHO said the picture is confused and more information is coming in. The observations for the possibility of a link were reported by doctors in the United Kingdom. Some children reporting the multi-system inflammatory syndrome tested positive for the coronavirus, while others did not.